I'm Dr. Noor Fatma, physician in Sir Gangaram Hospital. Today we are here to discuss about mercury in hospital setup as well in our household setups. So, as we all know that mercury is a dense occurring element which is liquid at the room temperature, and if not disposed of properly can cause hazardous effects. But the important aspect is regarding the mercury present in home or house setups, such as we find in BP apparatus, thermometers, fluorescent bulbs, and cosmetics, which can affect us in day to day life. Now, the signs and symptoms which we see in mercury are usually very benign, which can go unnoticed, but it should cause an alarm, especially symptoms like nausea, vomiting, and tremors, skin pigmentations, kidney damage, kidney problems. These as behavioral changes, mood changes, tremors, these all should give a insight is something there which we are missing, and that could be mercury poisoning. The side effects are also seen in category of workers, laborers working in industries, in technicians working in laboratories, and especially the dental care workers where they inhale mercury. Pregnant women are also, if exposed to mercury, can lead to fetal defects, nervous defect, and use of cosmetics especially causes skin discoloration, peeling, and kidney damage. As we but speaking about mercury, so the most important thing about mercury is that since it's a very toxic and hazardous element, and it is also found in household, so the steps we should take to reduce mercury exposure, first and the foremost is no use of old thermometers. We should use digital thermometers, digital BP apparatus, no use of skin whitening creams, or optional is very minimal use. Limit intake of seafood. Secondly, we also get exposed in the healthcare setup. So there should be a protective equipment to wear during disposal of mercury. For waste disposal, we should follow the proper guidelines laid by Government of India. And also a very important aspect is to raise awareness among the community. Since realizing the hazardous effect of mercury on the environment as well as on human, Sir Ganga Ram has taken this step 20 years back to make it a mercury free hospital. And I feel so proud to be a part of this organization.